Hello guys, in this video, I want to introduce you about Isdigit. But before I explain this topic, please like, subscribe, comment, and share so that I will be more enthusiastic in making other interesting videos. Isdigit is a part of modified strings in Python. The Isdigit method returns true if all the characters are digits, otherwise false. Exponents are also considered to be a digit. For syntax, you can see my screen. String dot is digit. You have to know that there is no parameter value in Isdigit. Now, I will give you two examples for Isdigit. First example, txt equals 50800 x equals txt dot is digit print x. You can see the result. Next, second example, a equals b equals print a is digit print b is digit. That's all from me guys. Hopefully this video is useful and see you in the next video.